Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today. The first one is finally here. It is our cat Fold It, which I know a lot of you have been requesting because, you know, the cookie Fold It, the dog is already out. Well, of course we needed the cat, so the cat is now available, which is really fun and exciting and lovely. Number 2 is a new doily. Now, this is doily number 2, meaning we already have a doily number 1, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. I love the different cutouts on these. We designed these exclusively, obviously, for us, and I just love how much fun and versatile these are, and I have some fun samples to share with you. Another one doesn't look like much, but it will on the cards, is the Happy Retirement. This is the Funky Bold Happy Retirement, and I know we always need Happy Retirement dies, and now you have another one to add to your collection. And last but not least, if you missed it the first time around, we have a limited supply of the striped alphabet dies that came out on HSN. So if you missed it on HSN, they are now available on our website. The numbers have been available on our website for a while. Now, let's check out our fun samples. Okay, here's a cute little step-up card with that gorgeous Happy Retirement in glitter. In foil paper, which is so pretty. Here's another one in foil paper with the shadow popped up. So it just looks a little bit different and it just looks so fun. Isn't that awesome? I love that. I love how that foil paper looks so pretty. Here's a fun Happy Retirement. You could do it on a flip it card, and this one even has a hidden panel. But look at that. I love how you do it on the Happy Retirement on the flip it, and it kind of doesn't move, but the circle does, so that's really fun. Ooh, here's that gorgeous doily. Now look, you can actually layer it to be different colors, or you can make it all the same color. Of course, it does have that shadow die, so you can see with the dark red behind it, then we have the strawberry in the front, or you can do different colored layers. Definitely, you'll want to use the adhesive sheets on the back of these to make your life a lot easier. Now, let's check out our kitty cats. Those of you that love kitty cats. Now, there are some of you I know that don't love kitty cats, but you know what? Your friends do. You have friends that like kitties, so definitely make sure that you're picking this one up because, you know, your friends love kitties just as much as maybe you love dogs. Look at how fun these kitties are. They're all different. Look at this cute one with the little looking in the fish tank. I love that. I just think it's so cute. So fun and just so cute. Now let's move those because I have more. I have lots more to share. Look, oh, a cute little orange cat. I love that one. And a fun gray cat as well. I had a cat named Candy that was gray. Look how cute that one is. Now, just a reminder, your fold-its can fold on the side or they can fold up at the top. So you get to pick. Now, club members, of course, these items are all on our website for you and you get the club discount. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and I will see you there. Bye-bye.